So let's take a little look at some of the materials we're using in this project. We're going to start it off with the shower because that's everything that we have on site currently. So we're using this water jet mosaic for the floor outside of the shower pan. This is marble in the center, and then we have porcelain on the sides. This is a really beautiful material, a little on the expensive side, as you can imagine, with all of the fabrication required. So these are actually each an individual piece, and they're mounted on a mesh like this. So you install it in sheet form. Basically, you have to make your cuts in sheet form. You can have a few issues with these, you know, maybe if the mesh gets too wet, things start falling apart. So you have to be a little careful when you're installing this. We should be closer to friends. If you OBN, engaging is on my agenda. So that's what we have for the floor. This is what we're going to be using for the niche, right? So nice lantern, marble as well. We should be closer to friends. If you OBN, engaging is on my agenda. Very nice material. I mean, nice and thick too. A lot of variation, a lot of nice colors going on. Some whites, some creams, some golds, some grays, some blacks. Really nice stuff. Over here, now for the real good stuff. Check this out. So this is what we're going to be using on the shower walls. All right, it's a 4-inch by 12-inch honed Calacatta marble subway tile. Really nice stuff. A lot of natural variation. Basically very similar to the lantern material that's going to be used inside the niche. A lot of whites and creams and golds and browns. We're going to be doing a 50% brick pattern, so it's going to look something like this. Really nice material. Let me give you some shades. You can see what it looks like. Yeah, really crazy nice tiles. Mr. Joe, if you'd be so kind to follow me over here. This is the shower pan mosaic. So Hexagon mosaic, marble as well. The whole bathroom is marble. Nice thickness on this material. And we're going to be using this on our single slope shower pan. So we have that nice linear drain along the back wall, and all the sheets are going to be sloped just in one direction. So it's going to look very clean. We're going to be topping the drain grate with more of this material. So we're using a tileable grate, and there's just going to be a cut all the way around the perimeter. So we're going to try to line it up in a way that you're not even going to notice it. That is the idea. This is a smaller mosaic with a lot of cuts in it, so you know, we'll see what happens, but I have a feeling it's going to end up being super sleek and basically invisible. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be doing a quartz siltstone for the vanity countertop, and it's actually in a Calacatta gold, so it's very similar to this as well. The pattern's not as apparent, it's more subtle, it's not as bold, I guess, but we're going to top the curb with that material, and then also the bench top and the shelf inside the niche. So everything is just going to be working together so well. We're using a brown vanity. It's a stained brown, so it's very rustic looking, and champagne bronze plumbing fixtures, so they're gonna pop. That's it for now. We'll do another video when we're working on the layout for these subway tiles, maybe tomorrow, And until then, stay tuned. Keep following us, checking up on us on Instagram, I should say, and keep checking up on us on Facebook for daily updates of this project and everything else we're working on. See you guys next time.